Hi friends, today I am going to show you the male connectors in electronic circuit. So this male connector is basically known as Berg strip, male Berg strip. This is of two types. The first one is of the straight type. You can see it is straight, and the second one is right angle type. So this is the right angle type. Okay, you can see this. So these are two types of male connectors that are connected to any circuit. I'll show you how it gets connected. So these are the holes, and this connector goes right into these holes, right? And this connector actually gets fitted into a Vero board or a breadboard. Thank you.